Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open phone application, then select contact which you want to edit, tap on this pencil icon to edit it, then tap add photo. You can take photo or to just select photo from gallery, as I'm going to do. So here you select a photo, here you can adjust it, and then tap OK and save. And as you can see, photo added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.